Simple question. Had it changed? Yes or no? Had it changed?
Yes.
Overnight?
Not overnight.
15 October 2021, 16 October, that would be overnight. Had anything changed?
Can I explain, Commissioner? You will tell me, no, you're losing it.
What had changed? What had changed?
You see, remember I've said there was a communique, we're communicating.
What had changed?
But it was not...
Commissioner, you've spoken about the communique, and I asked you questions around it, and I didn't follow what you were trying to say. I am saying, what had changed? It's a simple question. What had changed from the 15th of October 2021 to the 16th of October 2021, the very following day? What had changed? It's a simple question.
Are you saying in terms of the numbers? Or?
In terms of the answer that you gave when I first engaged you, I asked you if there was in existence any formal arrangement with any security company for it to provide security services to the Metro. I'm talking 15 October 2021, and you said there was not.
Commissioner,
correct?
Can I correct you on something?
I'm asking you this for the third time now.
Yes.
Is it correct that you said, no, there was not, as at 15 October 2021? Am I correct that you said so? Yes or no?
No, I think we were losing it. Can I clarify something?
No. I'm losing nothing. I want to know whether you said so or not. There's nothing I'm losing.
No, can I clarify something? You'll get me.
No. Please answer the question. Did you or did you not say so? Remember, you've already said more than once. You've already said more than once that there wasn't